Yo guys, what's up? Tankuchiya back again, and today I'll be showing you how to kill the rain village from the leaf. So just lock in, follow me, and I'll see you there. If you're watching this video, stop at the bridge here and skip to 2 minutes and 55 seconds, because I messed it up and ran in the snow for the next around 30 seconds. If you listen to that comment, then I'm on the bridge and I ran to the other side of the bridge, and now we're about to run. Oh, we're about to run across, all right? Yeah, see, I don't know what I'm talking about, so y'all can see it's goofy enough. I'm tweaking right now, but, it's all good. This bridge is a key point in 3 villages: the stone, the cloud, as well as the rain. So if you see this is the bridge I'm talking about for the stone and cloud village location. So if I'm ever in the stone, if you're trying to figure out how to get to the stone village and I say, go see the bridge from the mist village location, that's the bridge I'm talking about. But yeah, guys, we've made it, and I guess just enjoy us beating up the tail beast. Thank you for watching this far in the video. Please consider liking and subscribing, as it is free, and you can unsubscribe and unlike any video at any point that you want. But I am a small content creator and I can use all the help I can get. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And once again, if this helped you out, consider liking and subscribing. Tankuchiya out.